Merry Christmas. It's a wonderful Christmas. I'm so amazed. I'm so happy. I don't know why. Is it because it's Christmas? Well, it's worth celebrating. So happy Christmas, guys. It doesn't matter, but it's worth celebrating. Okay? It's worth celebrating because we are alive today and we are having fun today, and everything we wish for might not have come true, but we'll have another opportunity to wish. So I'm celebrating everyone and I'm thanking everyone who has made this channel a success so far. Thank you so much. God bless you. God provide for you. God protect you. And we know we're going to see ourselves in this new year, having an wonderful new year filled with all the goodness of God in it. So, still in the season of Christmas, we're going to be making a goat meat recipe. We're going to be making a goat meat recipe, a peppered goat meat. We're making peppered goat meat because we're going to be chewing it like that, or we're going to be using it to eat rice. Just sit down, have fun, and enjoy it. But we're not really going to make it peppered per se, because I have holiday makers in my house, I have children in my house, and you know children and pepper, it's a no. So you don't want to cook and really want to eat your food. So because of that, we'll be putting a lot of pepper. So we're going to be using a substitute for pepper, which is tomato, fresh tomato. So let's dive right into the cooking.